Hi friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how you can share your files through nearby share on your Infinix smartphone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So here you have to tap on setting. When you move on setting, from here you can see the more connections option. So here you have to tap on more connection. When you click on more connection, from here you have to scroll on the down, and here you can see nearby share. Okay, so from here on this nearby share you can see from these options, and this is the device visibility. No one can share with you until you make yourself visible. So just click on visible. After clicking on visible, and from this mobile phone also, you should activate your visibility of the nearby share. Okay, you can search here nearby share. This is the nearby share. After that, here you should activate this one. After activate, from here you can share the files. Okay, suppose I select this video, then after that click on the share option, then from here you can see the nearby share. Okay, here's the nearby share. Here's the nearby share. I just click on nearby share. After that I'm just searching, and here you can see the device nearby share is here. Okay, its visibility is here options. Okay, then after that, if you want to receive, just tap on ready to receive, and from here if you want to share, then tap on this share option. This will be share. Okay, so through this you can share your nearby share. Okay, this will help you to share your files. Okay, without any Bluetooth and without net. So friends, this is about the nearby share. Hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, do not forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.